I have just re-uploaded this important video about Vaillant F22 boiler. Now, if you're having any issues with hot water or heating, now that the winter is approaching, you must watch this video, guys. I have just re-uploaded this. I've uploaded this many years ago, but I've just re-uploaded it because I know a lot of people have been watching and asking questions. But before I get into it, can I just please ask guys to support by subscribing, sharing and liking the video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think. It's very important that you do so because the YouTube will then recommend it to those people who are actually looking to fix their hot water and heating in this winter and don't have to call a plumber out, which will cost a fortune. Now enjoy the video. Hello guys, this is a video about F22 Vaillant boiler. This is going to be regarding low pressure water. So I'm just going to have a look at this now and show you how to put the pressure up. So if you've got no hot water in the house, or if you don't have any heating, that shows you the hot water tap and also the radiators. So basically, as you can see here, the pressure is very low, is nearly at the bottom. That's why we don't have hot water at the moment. And what we want to do is basically have this line go roughly about where the middle is there, so not too high up, because if you do go too high up, you'll need a special key to bring the pressure down again, which I don't have, so I need to be very careful when I do that. So yeah, here we go guys. So also the other thing I need to show you is this will be done underneath the boiler itself. So these are very different. Your ones will probably have taps over here and a tap over here as well on this pipe over here, but instead I've got two sort of screws, so they're both aligned like that, and this one is as well. I don't know if you can see that, it's there. And what I need to do now is always guys, remember the one on the right. So I've just got a screwdriver with me. The one on the right, as you can see, it's flat at the moment, so I need to put that, align it straight with a pipe like that, and then go to the next one. And so we'll make sure the screen is blue so we can see what's going on, and keep an eye on that bar there so it doesn't go too high up. And then we'll come back down, and then the one on the left, if I can get it right in there, the one on the left, that's when we, as you can hear guys, the pressure is going in, and then the bar is going, that's it. So I'm shutting that off now. I just turn that back to flat. Make sure you turn that back to flat. So we've got that in the middle, and then I go back to this one, to this screw. All right, I just need to get it right. Nearly there. Right, so I turn that back to flat. So basically I've turned that back, so that one has gone flat again, and that is flat again as well, just like it was. Now the pressure, it looks like it's dropped a little bit again, so we want to have it ideally right in the middle. So let me just go back to what I did. So I'll just repeat this again so I'll get that bar right. So basically I'll turn that straight, align it straight, and then this one as well. Don't know if you could see that, but there, I'm just using a screwdriver. So I'll twist that a little bit and keep an eye on that. That's it. All right, so I've just turned it back to flat. That's it. Yeah, that's all flat. So make sure guys, it's all, so the screwdrivers or the taps, you might have taps in your underneath your boiler, so it might be easier for me. As you can see, I'm struggling a little here. So I've just turned that flat. Make sure this one is also flat, and let's have a look at the bar there. Okay, as you can see, let me turn the light on again. As you can see, the bar is right in the middle now, so that's where you want it guys, that's where you want it, and about that temperature as well. So the hot water should be back on and running. And now That was the video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you want to see anything else, any DIY stuff. Leave a comment and I will be happy to make other videos, and hopefully you've enjoyed this and this has been helpful for you. Thank you.